Hey, Mr. Hill. Okay, we're all set. Both track systems. This first one's you're going to be track 1. The other one's going to be track 2. So this one's going that direction like you show, and then this one will go that direction. Transformer seems to be holding up pretty good. That'll be your 75-foot power cable to the transformer that'll be in the building. We'll have all new wiring loom for both poles. Follow the instructions how to run the new wiring through the poles, because you'll be removing the old system. Same on the other side. This one loom will be for the crossing on the other side. This hookup will be for this light system with the bell. You'll actually have the looms for indicating on what system goes where. So all of them have numbers on them. Just follow the instructions. Fairly simple. You'll have this will be the jumper one that'll go from your box cross to track 2, and then it'll split off. You'll have 100 foot for the red, and then you'll have 65 for the green. And then on track 1, it'll come right out of the box. That's these two looms. These two here will be for track 2, and that's the splitter. Fairly simple, just lay it, after you mount the box, do not plug it in. Lay out the cable, follow the instructions, fairly simple. And then like it says, we've did 2 separate systems on the tracks. So if one triggers and the other one triggers, the other one stops it, they'll be running on 2 separate circuits. So basically, this train is on track 2 is coming across. He's triggering it, and he comes across the stop or the red. And then track 1, he's coming across, triggers it, comes up to the red magnet, shuts it off. So like it says, yellow standby, a yellow green, or a yellow blue, sorry, is that one is active. So if you have 2 tracks that are active at the same time, you're going to have 2 blues and no yellow. So when you have a yellow and a blue, that'll be the track that's active, the system's running. And then when you have the other one firing up, so if you have 2 in between the crossings, you'll end up with just 2 blue lights. So I will show you real quick here. So basically we're going to come back across. So that was track 1, and you can see, and now that's track 2, so now you'll just have the blue. So now he's coming back across, shuts up, you know, it's already off. Why don't I remember that?